So first, go to our website. And this is what shows on our website's homepage. And next, I will go through the entire trading process. And first, we log in as a buyer. As you can see, here's all the features you can use as a buyer. So first step, we need to post the requirements as a buyer, such as prices, quality, like how many shoes you need. Of course, you'll also need to specify some technical requirements. Here, we finish our requirements order, and it will be posted. Next, we will switch to the intermediary account. As you can see, here is show what you can see when logging as the intermediary account. One of the standout features is a data analysis. The website can be consolidate all the orders and provides you with a report. Back to our trading process. The intermediary account will next receive the purchase order. Then we need to start verifying the information, which means checking with the buyer to make sure everything is correct. And here is the chat window where you can interact with the buyers in real time. Once everything's done, click the confirm button, and then we'll move to the quotation stage. Next, as the intermediary, we need to select suitable suppliers, and this list shows all the suppliers currently partnering with ours. Suitable suppliers will be shortlisted. Then the list will be locked and cannot be modified. And next, we switch to the supplier account, and here is show what you can see as a supplier. This is one of the shortlisted supplier accounts. You can view the information posted on the platform and then provide your code and other details based on the buyer's requirements. And then we return to the OPS account where we compare the codes provided by the suppliers and we select the most suitable option and then send it to the buyer. Buyer's account where you can see the option provided by OPS, and based on the OPS summary and the codes from the suppliers, we need to select an option that the best suits our needs. Finally, we will move on the formal ordering process. Back to the supplier who will then process to the prototyping stage. Suppliers will send the samples to the buyers first. Back to the buyer's account. After receiving the sample and confirming that it meets the requirements, click the Confirm Sample Approve button, and we move to the next step. Once the suppliers receive confirmation that the samples are satisfactory, they will begin the mass production and the shipment. However, before the shipment, there is still an inspection step that the OPS must perform. So how do the OPS inspect the goods? So here we will show you how to do it. We need to work with the inspection agency. If the agency issues a pass report, we can select the pass button. Next, we need to move to the process to ready for shipment stage. From here on, all further steps will be handled by the supplier. Many of these steps require uploading various documents. So the simple example includes shipping tracking number or inspection reports. Here I'm only showing the interface for uploading documents. In the real trading process, moving through each step isn't as simple as clicking a button. Many steps require uploading the corresponding documents first. Here I'm demonstrating how to update the shipping information as a OPS. You need to enter ocean freight order details, express tracking numbers, and update custom clearance and import information, among other things. And the days I'm viewing right now is simulated, but in the real, you must enter the actual days carefully. At this point, all stages, including signature confirmation, have been completed, so we can process to the final step, which is the after sales process. On the buyer's page, we can file a dispute due to the issues such as the quality problems. From out here, the entire trading process on our platform is done.